let's talk about tool panel. On the left side of the window, there is a tool panel. It's a group of all available tools, and every tool has its own uniqueness. We will talk about it later. Let me show you something about this panel. When you click on these double arrows, it will close itself into a vertical column like this, as you can see. But if you click on it again, the tool panel will expand immediately. When you click on these bars and keep pressing your mouse button, you will be able to drag it from its position like this. There you go. Now if you click on these arrows again, it will be a dislocated single sole column. Now press once more. It will redesign itself into a horizontal line that you can drag the same way as you dragged before, just clicking on the bars and dragging it like this. As I approach close to the border, you can see it will be attached to the border magnetically. There you go. If you want to use your tools in this way, you can do it. But what if I don't want this change? There are two ways to reset it. First is go to Window, click on Workspace, and go to the Reset Essentials. And you click on it, there you go. And what is the second way? The second way is to catch it from the bars with the press of your cursor and bring it close to the border until blue halo appears, and then leave it. There you go. Now click on these arrows. All tools will be organized like this. There you go. In the next lecture, we will talk about pasteboard and document window.